Welcome to our channel and welcome to another stock analysis video. Pero before we proceed sa analysis, let us first check the performance of the Philippine Stock Exchange last week. So the market closed at 6,376.79. It closed with a green candle for the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame kasi yung ginagamit natin. So, nag-close naman siya sa green. And if we do that technical analysis sa chart, we can say na currently sideways yung movement ni Philippine Stock Exchange Index overall. Pero sa short term naman, we can say na nakikita natin na bullish yung direction niya from this point to that point. But if we wanted to confirm the bullish direction, we would like to see the candles breaking this Starbucks box. So yun, if we wanted to see a continuation of this movement, we would like to see na these candles breaking out of this Starbucks box. So potential resistance area would be around this 6,700 levels. Ayan. This could be the potential resistance if you wanted to see further continuation of the market, and probably around this area 7,400. Yan, ito yung mga resistance levels for the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. So we could identify them as bullish. Yung mga areas na kung saan from where the candle broke out would allow us to see some significant movements in potential bullish trends sa overall performance ng market natin. So okay, let's proceed with our stock analysis for today's video. So for this video, we will analyze Converge Information and Communications Technology Solutions Corporate. So check natin si Converge. So in our analysis, we'll be using the weekly time frame. Yan, weekly time frame yung ginagamit natin sa technical analysis natin. And we will be plotting the support and resistance of this chart. And gagamit din tayo ng Darvas box. So we could identify yung breakout area niya or breakout point ng stock. So as we can see, Converge is very bullish. Yan ka natin dito from this point up to this point. Yan, tuloy-tuloy naman yung trend to mga candles nila. Top trend naman din talaga siya. Then, last week yun, nag-close si Converge at 21. So, mapapansin natin 21 as an psychological number kasi we can see that it was close as a full number. 21, walang point something dun sa closing price niya. So if we try to see the big picture of Converge, mapapansin natin na since August 2023, from this time of period of time, naglalaro lang siya from this price from 7.88 until mga 9.93 or 9 pesos. Itong levels lang yung up and down niya since August 2023. Naging resistance na to 9 pesos level or the 10 peso level. And it only broke out this level no May 2024, this period of time. Then from this time na-reach na niya yung 10 pesos levels niya is on May 20, 2024. Then doon na siya nagkaroon ng reversal ng trend from this sideways movement. Nagkaroon na siya ng upward movement or nag-start na yung reversal movement niya, moving upward and bullish from that price point. So mapapansin din natin na it already broke the 19 pesos resistance. Ito yun. Ito yung area na to. Ito yung makikita natin na pinaka resistance area niya since from this time, dito kasi siya yung naumpog yung price niya. Then nung na-reach niya yung price point na 'to, yun tuloy-tuloy yung downtrend niya. Then from this time, from the past weeks, ayan, ina-attempt niya na ma-break itong resistance na 'to, which, was broken May 2025. Similar dito sa time frame na 'to, May 2024. So, papansin natin na 'pag na-break niya yung, um resistance area niya, usually nagkakaroon ng bullish movement si Converge based on historical movement of the prices. So yun, mapapansin natin na ikakaroon na this gives traders confidence to bullish na stocks. And next level na tinitingnan natin here would be the 22 pesos area. So ito yung 22 pesos resistance level. So ito yung titingnan natin if in the upcoming weeks and mabreak niya itong area na to. So we could be able to see strong bullish movement. Breaking these levels will give us signals na nasa momentum na talaga itong stock na to. Yan. And let's also try to have a quick look back to sa performance na Converge nung nag-umpisa ka lang siya. So if we will track back yung chart ni Converge, makikita natin Converge Habits IPO October 2020. So hindi maganda yung IPO start ni Converge, and nung nag-open siya, yung nag-sell down lahat ng mga currently stockholders ng nakabili nung IPO price niya. So, and pumawi laban siya after a few weeks yet. After a few weeks until February 2021, ayan, na-broke na niya yung opening price niya doon na 16 pesos, and nagtuloy-tuloy na yung bullish trend niya from that point. Tuloy-tuloy na siya and reaching as high as 45 pesos or this level 45 from February 2021 ay nagtuloy-tuloy siya hanggang October 2021. Tapos na-reach na niya yung peak niya na 45 pesos. Ayun, doon naman nagkaroon ng reversal ng trend, na nagkaroon ng downtrend from that point. So yun, let's see if kaya ulit ni Converge na ma-reach yung highest milestones dito level niya for this year. And if yung hinahabol niya for this year, if kaya niya itong mag-break yung 45 pesos niya, or yun, magkakaroon ulit ng resistance on this level, then magkakaroon ng matagal na sideways movement, or possible karoon ulit ng reversal from bullish to bearish ulit. So yun muna for today's video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. And if nakaabot ka hanggang sa dulo ng video, comment Converge naman. So hanggang dito na muna. See you on the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.